Hello everyone, can you see these beautiful ducks here? Alright, welcome to today's lesson. So I'll be talking about how to remove background from your photo. That's why I have those beautiful dogs here. They are not my dogs, I got them from the internet, but anyway they look good. So I'm using the Office 365 PowerPoint. I'm sure previous versions can also do this. So let's go ahead and take off the background in these pictures. So first and foremost, I'll click by the picture. Once I click on the picture, if you look up here, you would notice that a new tab appeared, which is this one, picture format. All right, so if I click off the picture, you will also notice that tab goes off. So off the picture, you will see there that tab is no longer there. So this happens in Microsoft PowerPoint and Word. Once you click on a picture, a new tab comes out, letting you further format that picture. So I'll go ahead to click back on that picture and go to the picture format button. Now this displays different buttons that would aid me to perform whatever it is I want to do on the picture. So by the picture styles group here, you would notice if I click the more arrow, you will see that I can add frame to this picture. Alright, so you can add different frame to your picture. So that's what that does. Now further left hand side by the ribbon is the adjust group. So this adjust group, you can make corrections to your picture. So there are different ways you can correct your picture here. Alright, and you can apply color formatting to your picture depending on what you want to do. You can also apply artistic effects to the picture. Right, artistic, you can see what it looks like. Okay, but remember the main focus for this lesson is removing the background of the picture. So I'll just point to the button called remove background. So you can see here PowerPoint tries to pick up the subject from the background and turns the background magenta. So I need to further edit this picture so as to leave the section that I want to be in this picture. So what I need to do is go straight to the ribbon, refine group. You will see mark areas to keep. Click on the button mark areas to keep. You will also see here that my cursor turns to a pencil. Now I can just go ahead to select the region that I want to leave in this picture. So once I select it, PowerPoint detects and removes that section. So I'm going to select, it detects and removes. Oh cool, you can see it detects and removes the section that you want to keep. So once I am done with what I want to do, I just need to click. Alright, so here is my picture. Once you have finished selecting the region you want to leave in your in the photo, you click off the picture and then it cuts that off. So it's that easy. So I'm going to do the same thing to this other picture. So I'll click on it and choose the picture format tab, progress to the adjust group, remove background. Now the same thing that happens, PowerPoint picks out the subject. So I want to select this section. I'll go to the refine group, mark areas to keep. I'll click on that. Now my cursor changes to the pencil. So I just have to be careful and select the section that I want to keep. Now take note, what you select is what PowerPoint will dictate and keep for you. So once you select, release the button. Alright, and I'll select this other section to keep the legs. Okay, so here I can see that section, the nose. Alright, so I want to also get the ears in. So a little bit, okay, what you select is what PowerPoint is going to keep for you. So just for an illustration, so I'll click off the picture. So I have something a little bit cool. So I can move this around and dump on any background. I'm going to copy this white dog and drop it in a new background, copy and paste in a new background. So you see what that looks like. Doesn't this just look okay? So we have something really cool. We have a new background, well edited. Alright, so to reset your picture background, let's assume I finish and I don't like how the dog here looks like, so I can reset it. There are two ways you can do that. So go back to click on the picture that you want to reset and go to where you have picture format. So picture format, I said two ways. You can go ahead and choose the reset picture and click on the reset picture. So I have my original photo. Another way to reset your picture background is click on the picture, choose the button, the tab picture format. Now hover your mouse to where you have the adjust group and click on remove background. Now once you are at the remove background, go to the close group and choose discard all changes. So we are back to the main and original background of this photo. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button to stay updated once I post a new video. And drop your comments in the comment sections below on what you would like me to create further. I'll see you in my next one.